The Stroud Green Station was opened in 1881 and was closed to passengers in 1954. The station, however, was officially closed in 1954. During the opening eras of the former station, it had 2 wooden side platforms. The wooden street-level entrance was adjacent to the 2-story station master's house. The main wooden platform building was on the west side of the viaduct, with a timber shelter on the opposite side, just closer to the London end. However, if the 1935 New Works Plan had already been completed, the change would have been lowering the height of the platforms to a compromise height to accommodate both tube and mainline trains. This was done already at Crouch End, except Stroud Green. After the official closure of the station, it became derelict and stood there for 13 years. The derelict site was gutted by fire in 1967, just a few years after the war, and demolished shortly after. The front of the timber street-level building survived into the 1980s, and today some timbers that supported the platforms can be found in the undergrowth. Though the population is growing and in need of more public transportation, sadly, it is impossible for the site to return to its former glory. Currently, the tracks cannot be relayed due to the former track bed having been turned into a nature reserve called Parkland Walk. Only time will tell if the station will make a comeback, but for now, there is no plan to revert the reserve back to a working train line.